from the back. Jen, I don't know if I could do the mullet.
I couldn't do the mullet. I couldn't do the long hair.
Yeah.
I think here is probably like the longest I've ever been. I'm not going any longer than that. And but I don't know if you noticed in the video when she got on her motorcycle, she tucked her hair into her pockets.
Nice.
It's very subtle, but yeah.
It's too hot here for all that hair.
It truly is, but you know what, she had it in the braid, great way to style it. But luckily the humidity has dropped heading into today, so your hair should be doing okay, especially by this afternoon and this evening. But going ahead, talking about the tropics, we did just get an updated advisory from the National Hurricane Center. We still have Lee, we still had Margot, but one of the biggest differences, Lee has entered into some wind shear, so Lee is now beginning to weaken. Now it's back down to a Category 4 hurricane. Those sustained winds at 155 miles per hour, gusting up to 109, and slowed down just slightly at this latest update. Now at 13 miles per hour for that west-northwest movement. Now, Lee is expected to stay in this Category 4 strength, really heading into midweek. And the thing to note with this cone is that this is going to take us from Friday heading into Wednesday. So once we get into 5 days, it truly hasn't traveled that much. Lee is expected to slow down even further. So we're going to be talking about it for quite a while, even heading into midweek next week, and possibly even not into this weekend, but next weekend. So Lee still is going to be continuing to move in the Atlantic, still leaning towards a bit of that northerly curve. We'll continue to monitor and keep you updated. Also, another system just out in the central Atlantic, a problem for the fish. We have tropical storm Margot. The sustained wind still at 40 miles per hour. Margot really not expected to strengthen into that hurricane strength until we get closer towards the weekend and into next week. But even then, really taking a northerly curve at that point. Now, coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about your forecast, what you can expect heading into this evening, that humidity dropping even further. I'm going to have all those great details coming up in just a little bit. Joe.